everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 1429 Lenox Avenue. This is a great property. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, fully furnished. The home is turnkey, 2-car garage, backyard has already been landscaped, 10-foot ceilings throughout the home. Just a great opportunity and a great home. Come on in, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 1429 Lenox Avenue. Again, incredible home, fully furnished, turnkey, ready to go. Just move right in. You got this, everything is landscaped. The backyard's been landscaped. You got this great pergola. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, 10-foot ceilings throughout, gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.